Hey y'all, hey. So today I am doing some prep work for some more designs. These are my previous designs I did live. Yeah, check it out. Let's get into it. So those are the ones that I'm doing today. And as you can see, I have my fabric already cut out. This is the template I created using some cardstock, and I covered it. And basically, yeah, I just cut my pieces out. As you can see, I already have the large pieces cut out, and then I went in and cut my interfacing out. And as you can see, I'm going to turn my interfacing downward, the sticky side. The sticky side is going to touch the back of this because that's what you need for the adhesive to stick once you press it. So as you can see, I'm just prepping these the same way. I will add a couple clips on the end. This strip did come out a little shorter, but we're gonna work with it. And add those clips on the side, make it do what it do. And again, I'm just using some fabric I already have because I have a lot of it. And I'm using my heat press mini, and I use it on the highest temperature. Once it heats up, I like to start from the middle and then I work my way outward, just to get a really good stick. As you can see, yeah. And when I turn it the other way, I'm just going to fold it. It's just like doing bias tape. If you've ever pressed any type of bias tape, the only difference here, you have interfacing in the middle, which basically creates a little extra layer to add a little bit more stiffness to the project. So yeah, this is my prep work, and then I'm going to go in and fold it one more time. And be careful because the heat press mini is small, but it's very powerful because I believe it gets up to like 400 degrees, so it gets really hot to the touch if you're not careful. So I fold it. This is my last fold, and then I'm going to press it one more time. And to hold this fold in place, I will add some clips to it. And I basically go ahead, and once I do this, I'm going to take it to my machine and stitch 2 straight lines on it. But this is just the prep work. All right.